spend the night with me. We just having fun, man. They tell me I'm the shit, I'm like, duh. Girls on my dick, I'm like, duh. Getting stupid in this bitch, so what's up? Like the whole damn world, homie, I don't give a fuck. Young, rich, and famous, thanks for asking, how are you? Party every night, that's exactly what I do, getting stupid.
Alright, so what's up, guys? So today, my buddy Colton, aka Cotton, has got himself a 2019 Silverado. It's a 1500. It's got the 5.3 V8 in it, so she moves pretty good right now, whatever, you know, it's stock. He decided to order a Flowmaster 44, and we got the Sawzall in the shop, so we're about to go cut that bad boy off and see what happens. But yeah, definitely gonna maybe see some power difference and stuff like that, so I'll get back to you guys when we get in the shop, and yeah.
Hunt me down, now every day feeling like the best day ever. Heard it's a long road, but it get way better. A little money in my pocket, but my eyes on a million. Got these doubters listening surprised when they feel him. Ballin' like Jordan, you ballin' like Wilson. Feeling like a kid again, chillin' watching Gilligan. I don't think they want to interrupt my party. We don't interrupt my party. We just tryna find somebody for the night. I don't think they want to interrupt my party. We don't interrupt my party. We just tryna find somebody. Tell me I'm the shit, I'm like, duh. Girls on my dick, I'm like, duh. Stupid in this bitch, so what's up? Like the whole damn world, homie, I don't give a fuck. Young, rich, and famous, thanks for asking, how are you? Party every night, that's exactly what I do. Getting stupid in this bitch, so what's up? Like the whole damn world, homie, I don't give a fuck. Wake up, 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 up. 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 Wake up.
Can you rev it from that thing too? Just got the stock muffler off. Yeah, he started it up. Didn't sound too good. Gotta get that Flowmaster on it though. Tall ass motherfucker.
Right now, I don't think they want to interrupt my party. We don't interrupt my party. We just tryna find somebody for the night. I don't think they want to interrupt my party. We don't interrupt my party. We just tryna find somebody. Tell me I'm the shit, I'm like, duh. Girls on my dick, I'm like, duh. What's up? Like the whole damn world, homie, I don't